Buying a chandelier should be one of the most interesting products to buy. But because of the wide range and different styles that are out there, it gives you a challenge to pick the correct one. That's why, lucky for you, in this video, I will show you how to pick the right chandelier. Chandeliers are mainly divided into modern minimalist styles, Nordic style, Euro style. Chandelier as the main light of the room can be matched according to the overall decoration style. There are many materials for chandeliers to choose from, including the most effective, iron. To be sure, choose the high temperature baking pan process, which will not easily rust, and also choose crystal lamp pods, which are more glossy than glass. The third point is very important. Make sure that when you're buying a chandelier, it's one that is adjustable. You can adjust the height just by raising it up and lowering it down. I believe that after watching our video, you have now a better understanding of how to choose the right chandelier for your project. Remember to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs like, and see you next time. Bye bye.